US dollar all over the place against the Japanese yen. This is Chris from Daily Forex taking a look at the dollar against the Japanese yen, and you can see it was an extraordinarily volatile session during the trading session on Friday after the jobs report came out stronger than anticipated, which naturally had people running to the Japanese yen. This was a very difficult trading session for anybody who was involved, and therefore, if you find yourself on the wrong side of the trade, don't be too upset about it. But I think at this point, you have to look to the longer term outlook for both of these central banks. And the reality is, even though Japan's getting a little better, the US economy is still very strong. And as a result, you should continue to see the US dollar strengthen against most currencies, including the Japanese yen. But I also recognize that with the sell-off that we had seen in the stock market, it does make a certain amount of sense that people might have been looking for the safety of the Japanese yen, specifically Japanese investors involved in America. But over the longer term, you do get paid to hang on to this pair, and I think that's something that a lot of people ignore, at least in the retail space. If we can break above the 158 yen level, then I think you've got a situation where we could make another attempt to break out completely. But right now, it looks like we're going to bounce around a little bit and just panic. That's not that unusual for this pair, but it's difficult to make an argument for anything other than an uptrend right now. So I wouldn't read too much into this other than there might have been some liquidity issues. The Bank of Japan might have been involved. We just don't know. And of course, there was a lot of repositioning after that non-farm payroll announcement. I remain bullish, but I recognize this is going to be a headache. My name's Chris Lewis. I work for Daily Forex. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.